is coming off the bench. And itong si
top 6 teams except San Beda hanging in the balance para makapasok ng Final Four. Masagkat na gangon.
Lock partner.
Pero
Ayan
muntik
naman,
mag-goaltend.
Tumatakbo na si Earl the Pearl with an N1 play. Alam mo partner, na pag-usapan nga natin.
Prince Ezzy.
Showtime from Earl the Pearl.
Health crowd, mga estudyante nila. Partner, nakita natin every game. Nandito sila to support their team and they will really need the support. Porta sa NCAA Season 91. Despite that miss, importante lang is to keep on attacking and force Bright Acueli sa kanyang third foul.
Talk about attacking and ayun nga ang ginawa nitong si Ilagan. 5 points na siya sa ating ball game nito, partner. Tenko, Earl the Pearl tumatakbo against 4 green shirts. Corner pass. Nagbigay ng pick si Fonzie. JJ Domingo popping for 3 and nakakuha pa ng foul.
7 points already. Energy, gusto talaga nilang to make a statement. Tingkad na matingkad.
Ganyan din ang sapatos. Popping for 3 is Earl the Pearl. Watching daw ngayon, sabi nila, good job, Mix Bustos. And of course, yours truly. JJ Domingo, corner pass. Jonathan Gray, step back. Pop and 3. That is good.
Mentality. Never give up on every possession. And malay mo, talagang if they're looking to cut it down, katulad nung drive na yun, by JJ Domingo, 15 points na ng kalamangan. Marami pang oras para makabalik sa larong ito.
Kaya yan. Kapit pero walang tawag. Fonzie, another rebound. Jonathan Gray finally for the CSB Blazers.
16 points, you're down, 6 minutes remaining.
Play action para dito sa CSB Blazers at mukhang narinig kami.
Ang kailangan habulin ng Blazers.
Ilagan, pamatay sunog. Rebound, lead pass to Thompson. Assist na naman niya, partner.
No doubt that Bright and Prince Ezzy has performed